to Kama Eskwela! Hi everyone! For today's video, we will be having an experiment about corrosion.
For this experiment, we need these following materials: 15 pieces small nails, clean and not rusted, 5 pieces clear glass, oil, aluminum foil, rubber band, tap water, table salt, and rice grains.
For the first step,
for the procedure, we need to label the 5 clean, dry, clear glass with a labeling or masking tape for us to easily identify the setups.
For the second step,
we need a dry, clear glass. Put a tap water for about 100 ml and 3 clean nails on the bottom of the glass, then set aside without cover.
For the third step,
we need a clean and dry clear glass. Only put 3 clean nails at the bottom of the glass and a pinch of rice grains, about 20 pieces, and do not add any liquid. Cover the glass with a foil and tighten it with a rubber band. Set aside for observation.
For the next step,
a clean and dry clear glass. Do not put any liquid, just the clean 3 pieces of nails. Do not cover and set aside for observation.
For the fourth glass,
put 100 ml of boiled water and 50 ml of edible oil. Then, dip 3 pieces of clean nails to the bottom. Cover the glass with a foil and set aside for observation.
For the final step,
put 100 ml tap water, then half a teaspoon of table salt, then dip 3 pieces of clean small nails to the bottom. Do not cover to expose it to the atmosphere and set aside for observation. After a week, these are the results for the corrosion experiment. 2 weeks have passed, and here are the final results for the corrosion experiment. For the first setup, 3 nails with tap water and uncovered in a glass showed few rusting properties in the edge of each nails. The second setup, 3 nails with a pinch of rice grains and covered tightly in a glass showed no rusting property. The same in the third setup, which is 3 nails in a glass without cover, also showed no rusting properties. For the fourth setup, 3 nails with 100 ml boiled water and 50 ml edible oil and covered in a glass showed a little rusting property, but the whole nails are covered with wax just like the candle wax. Lastly, the fifth setup, 3 nails with 100 ml tap water and a half teaspoon of table salt and covered in a glass showed the greatest rusting property, as all of the nails are covered with rust. This table shows the summary of the results for the corrosion experiment.
Rust is a reddish-brown or reddish-yellow color that coats iron or steel when exposed to air and moisture. When iron and oxygen react in the presence of water or moisture, rust or iron oxide is formed. Another word for rust is corrosion, which describes the breakdown of materials such as iron and steel. One molecule of iron has 2 hydrogen atoms bonded to a single oxygen atom. The rusting of iron is an electrochemical process that begins with the transfer of electrons from iron to oxygen. Rust is formed by the union of the oxygen with the iron. Water helps as an agent in producing the rust change in iron metals. In the corrosion experiment, it can be concluded that the setup with the highest rusting rate is the fifth setup. 3 nails with 100 ml tap water and a half teaspoon of table salt and covered in a glass. In this setup, the two requirements for rusting are present, which are the water and oxygen. Oxygen causes these electrons to rise up and form hydroxyl ions. Hydroxyl ions react with the iron to form hydrous iron oxide, better known as rust. While water helps as an agent in producing the rust change in iron metals, salt is also present in the setup, and salt solutions acts as an electrolyte, allowing iron to lose electrons more easily and so speed up the rusting process. Other setup did not rust as the requirements for rusting are absent. That's all for today's laboratory activity. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye!